This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play WoW mode in BGMI. First, understand that WoW mode, or World of Wonder, is a special section within BGMI where players can create and share their own custom game modes and maps. It's a fantastic way to experience new challenges and creative gameplay that goes beyond the traditional Battle Royale format. You'll find a wide variety of experiences, from unique minigames to entirely new combat scenarios, all designed by fellow players. To access WoW mode, begin by opening BGMI and heading to the main lobby. Look for the Mode Selection button, typically located on the left side of your screen. From there, you will see an option labeled WoW. Tapping this will take you to the World of Wonder lobby. Here, you can browse through numerous custom rooms created by other players, join an existing match, or even design and host your very own game mode for others to enjoy. It's quite straightforward. Gameplay in WoW mode is incredibly diverse, as it's entirely dependent on the custom room you join. You might find yourself in a fast-paced deathmatch with unlimited ammo, or perhaps a strategic hide-and-seek game across a custom-built map. Some modes focus on Parker challenges, while others introduce entirely new weapon loadouts or character abilities. The key is to quickly understand the specific rules and objectives of each room to adapt your playstyle and maximize your fun. Every match offers a fresh challenge. Playing WoW mode offers numerous benefits, making it a fantastic addition to BGMI. It provides a refreshing break from the competitive intensity of classic Battle Royale, allowing for more casual and experimental gameplay. You can connect with a vibrant community of creators and players, exploring their imaginative designs. With new custom rooms appearing constantly, the replayability is virtually endless, ensuring you always have something fresh and exciting to try. It's a great way to expand your BGMI experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.